Do you need to carry a big stack of papers in style? What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I just picked this up. It is a PU leather folder or portfolio, but what makes this interesting is, one, it looks good. The PU leather means it's like a vinyl, but it has a nice grain to it. This is actually kind of like a wine red burgundy color, which is pretty nice. Now, these file folders or organizers tend to have like accordion sorting sleeves in them, and this one does not. It actually has a pretty big, probably half an inch thick foam in there, which means it actually has a fairly large volume. Now, this material on the inside is almost like a copper colored microfiber, so it has a little bit of texture, soft, kind of fuzzy, but that means that you won't have anything rattling around. It should be slightly grippy, and you might be able to see here on the indentation right there, and then on the inside there is a little circle right there, and that's because this thing closes with magnets, so you don't have to worry about it falling open. I was actually worried about that because some of these have like an elastic strap on the front to hold it down, or a band that goes all the way around, so that's really nice that it's a flap just like that. But now you can carry a big stack of papers. This is pretty large. I would say that's probably 3/4 of an inch thick, and you can see here it's got a nice kind of flat back where it's stitched on the backing, so this back has some structure. I like the front too. Now, the reason I got this is maybe you have a big stack of papers here, and I'm going to pull apart these papers here because the dimensions of this means that it's pretty big. So take a look at this stack of 8.5 by 11s. You can see that's going to fit no problem. All right, so that's one. But I also have a stack of 11 by 17s, which are much longer. And I want to show you here that these will fit as well. Now, it's going to be a little bit tighter on the 11 by 17s, and it's really going to be edge to edge. I mean, they're not wrinkling or folding up or bunching up. And now I can carry them around in style. Hey, if you want to pick up this paper organizer in a PU leather, carry around your stuff in style, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.